Hello guys, as promised in my previous video, I said I will present you my latest binary Comodo V24i. So this is the system. To be honest, I didn't start with this system. It is not my system from before, but the system is, let's say, at least 10 years or maybe 15 years, and there were a few versions, and now in last at least 5-6 years nothing happened. So I decided to change, to renew it, to update it. So I made my own version, binary Comodo V24e, or I in my language, E. And this is a very interesting system based only on one arrow. So you can trade binary, you can trade Forex. You can trade all time frames from M5 up. And you see, you can use indices, you can use anything you like to trade. So maybe we can put some indices here. Maybe US 30 on 1 hour, yes, or 4 hour. So everything can be traded here, you see. This is a pretty conservative system. You will not have so many signals, except if you use very low time frame like M5. Honestly, I don't use M5. I put here M5 few just to show you how it works. Mostly I'm using 1 hour, 30 minutes, 4 hour or so, because with one trade I want to make many pips, not maybe 10 or 15 like you can make on 5 minutes or 15 minutes. I want to make 50 pips, 30 pips, 100 pips. My goal, as I mentioned always in my latest emails, is to make about 50 up to 100 pips daily. So if the rules, if you trade binary, 2 to 3 candle expiry, so you will always enter at the next candle after the arrow. Arrow will show at the current candle, it is not repainted, and then 2 candles expiry for binary or free. For Forex on 5 minutes, even 5 pips is okay on 5 minutes. On 50 minutes, maybe 10 pips, 15 pips or so. I put here 10 pips on 5 minutes. But you see, if you trade, let's say, on a daily chart, you can make, you see here, 200 pips, or here 150 pips, or a 4 hour 170 pips. So in that case you need only one trade to make your daily goal. It is 50 to 100 pips. Also 30 minutes can be used, and with 30 minutes you can make, you see, with one trade almost 50 pips. So this binary Comodo is very easy to be used for Forex traders. You just wait for arrow, and on the next candle you enter the trade at the open of the next candle. If you trade Forex, you can take on 5 minutes, let's say, 5 pips, on 15 minutes 15 pips, 30 minutes 30 pips or so, 1 hour 50 pips, 4 hour 100 pips, daily 200 pips. This is my basic rules. You see it, if we have taken this trade, we are already in 300 pips here. So it is up to you, but my daily goal is every day to take 50 up to 100 pips every day, and then you will make money. So this is very new. You see we are very close to make one trade in the money. It is conservative, yes, I said. There is no hundreds of trade. You will have maybe on each time frame, on each chart, you will have a few trades per day, but not more. Especially on a 4 hour, maybe 1-2 trades. On 1 hour, also 2 trades. You see daily. In a week, maybe 1 trade, maybe. But when you get a trade, weekly trade, then you know you will make a daily trade that you will make a lot of pips. You see, this latest example, 600 pips. Here you make your weekly goal 600 pips. It is fantastic. You need only 1 trade per week like this. So this is fantastic, not repainted system. Everybody can use it. Binary traders can use it. Forex traders, and all time frames, all assets can be used. So this weekend, so today, tomorrow, and on Sunday, you get it at early bird price. This is only 97 euro. Regular price will be 197 after. But it is not valid now. Now you can take it at 97, and plus you will get 5 licenses. 5 licenses means you can use it on 5 MT4 account numbers. After you will get only 2 licenses, as it is regular. 2 licenses, and price will be regular again, 197. You see our trade is deep in the money. You see a little bit is needed to finish the trade. So if you like to have an easy system, simple system, but very accurate, it is accuracy nearly 90%. Guys, you can see according to these arrows, and you see I will go through this to see the accuracy. So this weekend 97 euros plus 5 licenses. Early bird promo. So you see gold, you can trade oil. This is all the trades you will get. Canadian 50 minute, New Zealand dollar 50 minute. Here we have only 2 euro JPY, 1 hour daily, Euro USD, GB Canadian. This is 5 minute time frame. I don't recommend so much 5 minutes, but if you want to make many trades per day, this is then M5, M15. I prefer 1 hour to have 1 or 2 per day and make 100 pips. So like here, easy 100 pips. So guys, if you wanna get it, binary Comodo V24 at early bird promo price, only 97, with 5 licenses. This is your chance. Have a nice day. Bye bye.